Hello and welcome back to How to Build Software Without Coding. I'm Mr. Hackathon. I show you how to build software without coding. And in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do semantic search with Zapier and a few automations. If you're familiar with my page and you're familiar with artificial intelligence, I've been demonstrating different use cases and different kinds of workflows using AI. Typically, people create question and answer chatbots or question and answer applications where you ask a question, give it to an AI API, and it responds. Sometimes it responds falsely and can give false information, and semantic search is a great alternative for getting the question answered to more important information. I'm going to show you an example here. So what I've done is I've sourced information from Stripe's documentation. I sourced information about Stripe Atlas and how it works, the company types, LLC and corporation. And when we ask a question, it's going to pull the answer from one of these documents and return the answer to the user. Because I don't have a premium or paid version of Zapier, this automation is relatively manual in terms of the triggers. If you have the premium version, you are able to do multi-step zaps, which is this, a trigger, a step. Because I have the free version, I cannot do multi-step zaps. So it takes in this question. So if we go to test, and you can see here that it picked up my question, what is a C Corp? That was on my last test. And next we use the search embeddings. So I'm using the OpenAI API and the search embeddings feature. We import our query from the trigger action, and then we input the information from the document. So you can see here about starting a US company, about Stripe Atlas, and I just manually put in that information. And you can put in more information. There is a token limit when you're using OpenAI API, so you can't just put a whole book in there. You have to be very strategic about what information you put in into this. And then what it does after that, it sends an email of the best match value. So what the OpenAI API is actually going to do is going to answer the question, but bring back it's going to order the most relevant document. So this is document 1, this is document 2, this is document 3, this is document 4. And what it's going to do is answer our question that we have here, what is a C Corp, and bring back the most relevant one. So what we can see here is that we hit continue, we have our documents, hit continue again. We can see that based on the query, it's ordered the documents in which one's the most relevant. You can see the item score right here. The closer to 1, the most relevant it is. We hit continue. Keep going. I'll retest the step. Just refresh my page. My answer is ready. And you can see it says, hey, question, what is a C Corp? The answer, with Stripe Atlas, you can form a new C corporation. And it just brings back the most relevant section of the document. That is how you create a semantic search automation using AI and Zapier. Remember, you need some kind of trigger. Here I'm using a form tally. You need documents to search through, and then you need somewhere to send it to and display the information. Here I'm just sending it as an email in Gmail. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section, and happy hacking.